everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're tackling something that can make or break your professional communication: grammar mistakes in business writing. Whether you're writing an email, a proposal, or even a LinkedIn post, small errors can leave a big impression, and not always a good one. Let's face it, your words represent you. Sending an email with mistakes can make you seem careless, while polished writing builds credibility and professionalism. The good news? These mistakes are easy to fix once you know what to look for. Let's dive in. One of the most common mistakes is confusing your and your. Here's the rule. Your shows possession. Example, your presentation was excellent. Your is a contraction for you are. Example, you're going to lead the next meeting. Think of it this way. If you can replace it with you are, use your. If not, it's your. Simple, right? Next up is apostrophes. Many people mistakenly use them to make words plural, but that's incorrect. Use apostrophes to show possession. Example, the manager's report. The report belongs to the manager. Don't use apostrophes for regular plurals. Example, we sent 3 emails, not emails. One exception, apostrophes are used in contractions like don't or it's, short for it is. But remember, it's without the apostrophe shows possession, like the company updated its policy. Got it? This one's tricky. Many people capitalize words they think are important, but in English, we only capitalize proper nouns, titles, or the first word of a sentence. Example of incorrect use is this: please submit your report by Friday. Here's the correct example. Please submit your report by Friday. Overusing capital letters can make your writing look unprofessional or like you're yelling. Stick to the rules, and your emails will look much cleaner. Here's a quick one. Then is about time or sequence. Example, we'll finish the meeting, then go to lunch. Than is used for comparisons. Example, our revenue this year is higher than last year. If you're talking about time, use then. If it's a comparison, it's than. Easy, right? One of the biggest mistakes in business writing is creating sentences that are too long and hard to follow. Here's an example. Original. The report, which was prepared by the marketing team and reviewed by the management team, provides insights into the current trends, which we believe are important for the upcoming campaign. Phew, that's a lot. Now, let's simplify it. The report prepared by the marketing team highlights trends for our next campaign. Shorter sentences are clearer and easier to read. Break long sentences into smaller ones, and don't overload them with too much information. Here are a few bonus tips to avoid mistakes. Always proofread your emails before hitting send. Use tools like Grammarly or Microsoft Editor for a quick grammar check. Read your writing out loud. It helps you catch errors and awkward phrasing. Remember, great writing takes practice, but every small improvement makes a big difference in your professionalism. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Let's keep leveling up your business communication, one grammar rule at a time.